What is up, you guys? Welcome back to my channel. Sorry if the TV is super loud. I'm just gonna do this intro really quick, but today I'm doing a grocery haul. It is a Weight Watchers grocery haul because I just started Weight Watchers, so yeah. That's about it. Let's just get into the grocery haul. Okay, it looks pretty small because it kind of is, which just sucks because this was $75, but also it is Weight Watchers friendly. I get 4 dinners out of this and a bunch of snacks, so I guess it's not that bad. But I'll start over here. I got a thing of plain Greek yogurt for this Weight Watchers dough for a dinner, which is going to be really fun to see how that turns out. Then I got this fat-free cottage cheese because I like cottage cheese and it's really good on Weight Watchers, I believe. I don't remember if it's a point or not. It might be 0, I don't know. But then I got this light Daisy sour cream because this is like a point on Weight Watchers as well. I got this bag of seasoned croutons because I think a handful of these, like the serving size, so 2 teaspoons of these, I guess, is like a point. So I don't know, we'll figure that out. I got that to make salads with. Also, like, my Walmart was out of a ton of stuff that I needed, so I couldn't even get everything I needed, so that sucks, but we'll just have to go back. This is my favorite Light and Fit Greek yogurt. It's just the plain vanilla one. I like to put strawberries in this for breakfast, but my Walmart was out of strawberries. They're seriously always out of strawberries. Then this is just the Taco Bell mild sauce because I'm pretty sure this is either like a point or 0 points on Weight Watchers, which is really cool because I love this sauce. It's so good. This is the Stubbs barbecue sauce. I've been obsessed with this lately. I put this on chicken. I just make like barbecue chicken with it, and I believe this is 2 points, like for 2 teaspoons on Weight Watchers. I'm not really sure, guys. I'm just kind of like estimating, so don't come for me if I'm wrong, but yeah. Then this is a can of corn for like a taco bake thing I'm gonna be doing. This is Kraft Shake and Bake. I got the extra crispy because I don't know how to say her last name, but Felicia something on YouTube makes these buffalo nugget chicken nugget things with this extra crispy shake and bake, so I thought I would try that and see how it turns out. This is just a mild packet of taco seasoning mix. This is turkey bacon. This is like a couple of points for like 2. This is not the brand that I wanted to get, but like I said, my Walmart was out of everything, so I just got the Butterball brand. Like I said, Felicia from that YouTube channel, she talks about this cheese all the time. That's like a couple points on Weight Watchers. So yeah, this is just the cheddar shredded fat-free Kraft cheese. Then I got a jar of salsa for a recipe I'm making. This is smoked turkey breast. I was gonna make like wraps and stuff with this, but my Walmart was out of tortillas, so that's annoying. This is the cream of chicken condensed soup for a recipe. Ground turkey for the taco bake thing. A bag of shredded hash browns because I believe like a 3rd cup of these is like a point or 2 on Weight Watchers. I got a thing of bananas because I go through bananas like crazy. I got these shorts. I actually got a black pair the other day and I was obsessed with them, so I just got another one because they're really comfy and they're only $7.88, so yeah. Thing of diapers. 2 of these caramel premier proteins because these are really good in coffee, like really bombing coffee, and this is like a seasonal flavor, so I just wanted to have it for when I feel like having coffee. 2 things of black beans. I thought I got 2 things of corn. Oh, I did. I didn't see the other one. 2 things of corn, 2 things of black beans, and then a 5-pound bag of chicken. So I feel like this wasn't enough stuff for $75, but I have 4 dinners out of it, so I guess that's not bad. But I do need to go back and get things like what was it? Oh, tortillas and like just a bunch of stuff that my Walmart was out of because they suck. Okay, so I look horrible again, but It's the next night, and oh my god, that scared me so bad. Did you hear that? That was my phone inside one of those grocery bags. Almost had a heart attack. Anyway, it's the next night, and like I said last night, I didn't find everything that I was supposed to get that night, so we went back tonight, and I have legit mascara under my eyes. Anyway, we went back tonight, and I found everything else, so I figured that I would finish it, even though it's going to be in 2 parts, which is annoying. So not too much stuff because I got the majority of it last time, but this is, sorry if you hear Gabriel as well, he's down there, but this is stevia because I'm going to be making a lemon cheesecake with that, so I needed like a bunch of it. At this Cafe Bustelo because it's espresso, so basically I can make it on the stovetop, and that way I can have 2 shots of espresso instead of like trying to mix it with coffee because it's not as good. This is just aroma tomato. Don't know what that is. That's embarrassing. Then I got some baby carrots because I got some roasted garlic hummus. I love hummus, and so does Gabriel. This is a yellow onion. This is the Bolthouse Farms Classic Ranch, and I'm super excited about this because I've tried other Bolthouse Farms dressings and they're amazing, but I love ranch, so that's hopefully really good. These are the Extreme Wellness. These are the Extreme Wellness tortilla wraps. These are like really, really good for you, and I can make wraps with these, and they're 1 point a piece on Weight Watchers, so that's really good. I needed to get bread because I give Gabriel toast almost every day, but I also wanted to get a bread that I could eat, so I got the Nature's Own Life 40 calories. I think it's 2 points on Weight Watchers for 2 slices, so that's not bad. This is banana cream jello for, I think, the cheesecake. I got the wrong one. I was supposed to get cheesecake flavored jello. I was supposed to get cheesecake flavored jello, but I accidentally got banana cream. I have no idea why. So now I need to go get a cheesecake one, which sucks because I was going to make the cheesecake tonight. But whatever. This is the lemon I needed for the cheesecake. 2 bags of broccoli because this is like the only vegetable that I really enjoy. A thing of milk and a thing of Greek yogurt. And that's all. And I need to make this coffee because the ice is melting. I cannot believe I got the wrong freaking jello. Are you kidding me, Natalia? Like, really? I need this coffee more than anyone in the world. Okay, so that is all for today's grocery haul. If you liked this video, don't forget to give me a thumbs up. It really, really helps my channel out. And if you are on Weight Watchers, let me know your favorite Weight Watchers recipe because I'm starting this Weight Watchers journey, so I definitely need some recipes for dinners and stuff like that, and desserts. Like, I'm such a sweets person, so like I have to find some good Weight Watchers desserts recipe. But anyway, thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.